What is that, Jack?
It's a trencher.
It's a trencher. It's a Tonka steel trencher. It kind of looks like a backhoe. What are you going to do with it?
Open it.
Let's do.
It has a back one. Next.
What are we going to do with it, Jack? Windy out here today. Sorry about the wind noises, everybody. Not much we can do about it. There it is. There it is. Can you get it out?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
Twisty ties.
There's twisty ties. Boy.
Or the inside.
Oh, there are. And I didn't bring a scissors.
Yeah.
All right.
Ties are tight.
Those are the twisty ties. Oh, no. Well, they came right out. That is a shock. That's what we got, Jack.
Time for my turn.
Okay, we just have one last little tie to take off. This guy right here. That's going to be tough. We're still working on getting some scissors here to cut off this horrible plastic twisty. Show us what you're doing.
Digging.
Digging? Cool. It's really like a backhoe, right, Jack?
It really is a track backhoe.
What do you think, Jack? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Look what else we've got.
Sorry, gonna do that. The police is angry.
Scooping quite a load. Is the front shovel good, Jack?
Yeah.
And this way.
Then we just. Get all this dirt out of this hole. See, it moves.
Can even see some little gears in there.
See, it's carrying. Out here.
Am I taking your toys, Jack?
Yes.
What am I doing with them?
You're just playing with.
And that's making you unhappy? Yeah.
It's not making me happy. I wasn't gonna dump this out though.
Does that make you feel better?
No.
Ew, the geese. Ugh.
Open up this, then look at those rocks shake. See? They shake.
What are you making, Jack?
That.
What is it?
It's rock dirt.
Rock dirt. Nice.
It has rocks on it. Because it has rocks. It has rocks on it. We'll just put.
Look how fast they move their mouths.
How it dries?
See how it dries? Does it dry nice?
Look. Yeah. It just, see how it shakes? See how it shaked? And it squeaked. It's rock dirt. I go back to the mother's job.
Did you build a trench with your trencher? dig a trench?
No.
No, what is it? It's a what? A road?
A loader.
Oh, loader.
I built a really big trench. Wait a second. We just see what I'm making asphalt. Asphalt.
That's asphalt? All right, very clever. The rocks and the sand together.
And they mix together. See how they come out? They're inside. This is asphalt. Harder.
How do we make it hotter?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
We just make hot asphalt. Don't make hot asphalt for the road.
Heck, is that a good toy?
Yeah.
Really good toy?
Let's load up that asphalt into here.
All right.
I'm picking up the asphalt because I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up.
You can or you can't?
I can't.
Why?
Because I can't. I need you to bulldoze this.
Can you get the bulldozer for me?
It's over there. This asphalt.
Dozer?
Dozer. No, it's called a bulldozer. Push all that. And now the rest. See how I did it? See how I did? Dig it. I can't put this.
Pull it hard.
There we go. There we go. It's a heavy load.
Sure is.
It's a heavy load. Then we're gonna dump this asphalt into here, and we're gonna wait for it to dry. There we go. We're picking up the asphalt. With the rocks among the asphalt. Here, make this asphalt. This. How about we make this hot? Let's make what? Collecting all of this. Clouds are too heavy for this to carry. Clouds are too heavy. This can't. Not enough longer. It's not longer. Eat something. Goodbye, kids. Don't forget to slide. See you later. Bye.
You want to look at the camera for those kids? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.